Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quez to tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery password. In case you have lost your Gmail password, in case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, change everything. Now you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that you can reset your password. When you are going to reset your Gmail password via common method, gentle method, then it's essential that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Google will ask these informations to keep your account secure, but this can be recovered by providing answer each questions shown, or in case your account is managed with family links, then we have to send an email to your parents to change your password. By two options we will reject it because we don't have this kind of the facilities, or we are not facilitated to provide this kind of the answers to the Googles to the recover. Then what are the alternative approach and how we will recover without having the recovery email and recovery phone number, we will see live in these tutorials. So right now we are having these problems, just we will go for try again, and we are on a account recovery page. Let's see now. This area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost, unfortunately, device. His device, due to that he doesn't have access of phone as well as especially recovery email so that he can reset this Gmail password. So I'm trying to the approach by alternative way because he has recommended to other recover. So let's see now. Try another way because we don't have a last password, we don't have the phone number, so we will skip all the things and we will approach always. So now it's a sanction this one. So just we will cut it from here. If account is managed with family links, then try again on here, and multiple times if we try again, so then this opportunity will be open that Google will contact you there by verifications, by your givings, especially sufficient information to the Google, of course, on the basis of endorse evidence proof. Google will endorse to justify that this account is yours. If it is yours, then of course definitely Google will give you an opportunity to reset. But if you don't have this kind of the information or evidence proof, then you won't be able to get, and this whole time can be expected more than 48 hours, so we cannot wait such a long time. So let's recover it quickly. So we will come in a Play Store. In the search bar there we will have to write especially browser, and then browsers to there we will write here best browser. So let's open this ones, and if we click on a best browser, then of course we have one browser, that's a Opera, with VPN, of course virtual private networks, along with the spontaneously simultaneously we can see the artificial intelligence is also included there. So now we have started to install, it has been almost installed. So we have the two changes is very required, very urgent. What are the two changes? Just we will hold this Google browser, guys. So we will come on here, this we will hold it. So it's not holding, guys. Let me open. So once again we will come on here and hold it. Now it has been open, just hold it, and now this icon has been opened. Click on app info. This is app info symbol. Then we will come in the notification. In notification we will have to make it blocks, and then of course we will back, and we will come in a permission. In permission, of course we will have to here make the locations. We'll make it off, but before going the off we will have to go for here firstly don't allow anyway. So if we click here don't allow anyway, the firstly we will have to make it off this precise location, then we will tap on don't allow anyway, tap on it. So now it has been almost off. We will back one more time. We will come in a set as a default. Let's tap on here 4-5 times. We will clear here, then we will cut it from here. Now we have another browser, that's also Chrome. Let's open, hold it, sorry. We will come in a app info. Now after coming here, just we will come in the notifications, make it off, then of course we will back. Yes, we will back. Now we will come see here 2 times. Sometimes it's a responding delay. Just we will come once again, we will hold this. Now we will come in a this app info. Now we will come in a permission. Now make it come in the locations, make it especially precise location off, then we will go for here. Don't allow anyway, so for timings no longer function as intended. Fines, we will back one more time. We will come in especially browser apps. Here we will have to select this Opera. We will cut it from here, and thereupon we will come here to open it. Now it has been opened, guys. Here now we will have to here wait. Just we will come here to go for continue, and we will tap on it, and then of course we will go for allow, and after tapping on the allow, then let's wait here. We'll have to pick this G browser, tap on 2 times. So now we come on here, just we will come the sign in there. Let's tap on it once again. Now we will have to write here this particular Gmail ID. So let's see. Just we will type here this ID. Then of course we will go for here, tap next. Now see here, it is asking a password here also, so just we will click on here forgot password. Now we will go for here, we don't know password, just we will try another way. Now we don't have a phone number, so just we will try another way. Now assuming that I did not provide enough information for Google similar things, but here is a possibility for options. One is to answer as many questions as we can, the user device where you are. We have the sign in the before, or third is the manage with the family link, and the fourth one more tips to recover this account. So if we are getting this more tips to recover this account, means that these accounts can be recovered. But don't click on a here track, otherwise this account would be a phrase, because I'm trying to recover by a different browser, but we need a Google assistance to recover these ones. So Google will automatically recover your ID, tapping on a setting to, of course we will come on a here in Google service, where it is. Here it is Google service, just we will tap on. Now we have a 3 dot here, just we will pick this one, help option will be open, tap on it, and thereupon we will have to especially wait here. Now consign your accounts, this one we will have to here open. So now we will have to select, you think someone else is using these accounts, and then we will come on here secure these accounts, and after coming here in securing these accounts, of course find out if your account has been this special. Here review your account activities, and there we'll have to come to find out if your account has been hacked. So now if we come on find out if your account has been hacked, then here see here these changes to the recover. If you know username, then we can come with the especially username, by that you can recover it. If you know username, then if you don't know username, then of course we have an option here that see here review your account. We will have to come in there account security. Why it's so? Because navigations that we have customized, tap on it, and thereupon of course here we will come the recovery page, and tap on it, and here we will have options that to enter this particular ID, and simply we will have to do nothing, guys, just we will have to go for here next. Now see guys, here directly we have the redstone here. Now what you say here, how easily this ID can be recovered, guys? Just approach alternative similar step by steps. Now here we will have to cut it. Don't click on a nearby and save, don't click on a continue. Here just we will have to comment this one here, that change password, tap on it, and after changing on the password, because if we click on a continue, then you would be trapped in its verify your option. So that's why it's better you are not in a position to verify by having the OTP or register the recovery as an email OTP. So that's why actually you don't have both. So now click on here, change the password, then click on change. So new password confirms the new password, and thereupon change it. After changing, of course, we will have to tap on these R options. Now we will have to come in especially manage your Gmail accounts, and there, after tapping on there, of course you will have to go in the security center. Check it out that email is not added there as a recovery, then add their email, and after adding, then you can remove the phone number, and after remove the phone number, once again add your new phone number that you wanted. So this kind of incident won't be happen again, guys. So on a live screen, we cannot creating the strong password here, guys. Why? Well, because it would be in a public domain. This is live screen recorded, would be uploaded on this channel. So that's why actually, now off screen, of course, we will have to generate, and we will have to give over. Of course, we will have to deliver this ID to my viewer. So further know any kind of the information, any kinds of the query, of course, blindly drop the query in the comments box. So the pleasure would be mine to reply your query. And if you are not unable to recover your Gmail password, then drop your Gmail ID below the comments box. Of course, we will pick it one, and of course we will recover on it this password if you don't have any problem, if you don't have the privacy concerns in that. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.